Hello everyone. Today we will gain some basic knowledge about contract laws through some basic multiple choice questions. So without wasting any time, let's start with it. The first question is the remedy of compensation given in the case of breach of contract is given under which section of the Indian Contract Act? Options are A. Section 73, B. Section 115, C. Section 79, or D. Section 69. The correct answer to this question is option A. That is, Section 73 gives the remedy of compensation in case of breach of contract. The next question is the rights concerning a contract are decided by which of the following? Options are A. Parties to the contract, B. The Indian Contract Act, C. Both A and B, or D. None of the above. The correct answer to this question is option A. That means that the rights concerning a contract are decided by the parties to the contract. The next question is a proposal upon acceptance becomes which of the following? Options are A. Contract, B. A promise, C. An agreement, or D. Both B and C. The correct answer to this question is option B, which means that a proposal upon acceptance becomes a promise. Question is in agreements of a purely domestic nature, the intention of the parties to create legal relationship is dash. Options are A. It has to be proved to the satisfaction of the court. B. It has to be presumed to exist. C. The relationship is required to the extent of consideration. Or D. The relationship is not relevant at all. The correct answer to this question is option A. That means in any agreement of purely domestic nature, the intention of the parties to create legal relationship is to be proved to the satisfaction of the court. The next question is every promise and every set of promise forming the consideration for each other is known as dash. Fill in the blanks. The options are A. Contract, B. Agreement, C. Offer, or D. Acceptance. The correct answer to this question is option B. That means an agreement. So, every promise and every set of promise forming the consideration for each other is known as an agreement. The next question is A makes a contract with B to beat his business competitor. This is an example of which type of contract? Options are A. Valid contract, B. Illegal agreement, C. Voidable contract, or D. Unenforceable contract. The correct answer to this question is option D. This means that where A makes a contract with B to beat his business competitor, this type of contract is an illegal agreement. The next question is an agreement consists of reciprocal promises between at least how many parties? Options are A. 4 parties, B. 6 parties, C. 3 parties, or D. 2 parties. The correct answer to this question is D, which means that an agreement consisting of a reciprocal promises between at least 2 parties. The next question is an offer is revoked by what means? Options are A. By the death of or the insanity of the proposer, B. By lapse of time, C. By communication of notice of revocation, or D. All of these. The correct answer to this question is option D. That means to say all of these. This means that an offer is revoked by the death or the insanity of the proposer, by lapse of time, and by the communication of notice of revocation. The next question is offer implied from the conduct of the parties or from circumstances of the case is called dash. The options are A. Implied offer, B. Express offer, C. General offer, or D. Specific offer. The correct answer to this question is option A. That means an offer implied from the conduct of the parties or from circumstances of the case is called implied offer. The next question is in commercial and business agreements, the intention of the parties to create legal relationship is dash. The options are A. Presumed to exist, B. The relationship is to be specifically expressed in writing, C. The relationship is not relevant at all, D. The relationship is not applicable. The correct answer to this question is option A. That means in a commercial or a business agreement, the intention of the parties to create legal relationship is presumed to exist from the beginning itself. The next question is which one of the following has the correct sequence? The options are A. Offer, acceptance, consideration, and offer. B. Offer, acceptance, consideration, and contract. C. Contract, acceptance, consideration, and offer. Or D. Offer, consideration, acceptance, and contract. The correct answer to this question is option B. This means that once first the parties make offer to each other, this is followed by the acceptance of the offer, then the consideration is decided, and then the whole thing becomes a contract. The next question is which of the following is false? An offer to be valid must be options are A. Contain a term of non-compliance of which amount to accept. B. Intend to create legal relations. C. Have certain unambiguous terms. Or D. Communicated to the person to whom it is made. The correct answer to this question is option A. This means that an offer to be valid must not contain a term the non-compliance of which would amount to acceptance. This statement is false. The next question is A promises to deliver his watch to B, and in return, B promises to pay a sum of rupees 2000. They is said to be a blank. Options are A. This is an agreement. B. This is a proposal. C. This is an acceptance. Or D. This is an offer. The correct answer to this question is option A, which means that where A promises to deliver his watch to B and in return B promises to pay a sum of rupees 2000, this is said to be an agreement between A and B because it has promise which is made by A to B and B in return pays a sum of rupees 2000 which becomes the consideration of the agreement. The next question is every agreement and promise enforceable by law becomes dash. Options are A. Offer, B. Contract, C. Acceptance, or D. Consideration. The correct answer to this question is option B. That means every agreement and promise enforceable by law is a contract. The next question is dash is one-sided contract in which only one party has to perform his promise or obligation. Fill in the blanks. The options are A. Void contract, B. Illegal agreement, C. Unilateral contract, or D. Bilateral contract. The correct answer to this question is option C. That means in a unilateral contract, is a type of contract in which one-sided contract is made by only one party and only one party has to perform his promise or obligation.